Hey everyone, welcome back. So I have the new vance&Hines exhaust on and I love the way it sounds, but I noticed that when I took the baffle out, that some of the fiberglass packing was either missing or removed. And when I watched one of the videos that I took of me driving off, and I know that I was around the block, I could still hear my bike very loudly, clear as day. And as much as I love that, and a lot of people love that, I don't think my neighbors would appreciate that. So I'm gonna make an effort to get it a little bit quieter and repack it with some fresh fiberglass that I picked up off Amazon, real cheap stuff. It was like $13, I wanna say. Some mechanics wire, and we're gonna go from there and see if that helps at all. Here is the fiberglass packing that I got. Mechanics wire. Here's the baffle removed. And as you can see, there's a chunk missing right here. I'm not sure if that was done intentionally or if that was just happened over time. I don't think I can wrap this part because of how it's designed. That would block a lot of the flow. So we'll give it a swap, see what happens. All right, so I got the new packing in there. Here's it is. I double layered it. Not sure if that's gonna make a difference or not. Like I said, I don't think I can pack this part because there's nowhere else for the sound to, or the air to be pushed out of. So hopefully this does a little bit of help. And yeah, we'll go from there. It's the first time doing something like this, so see what it comes out like. I would say that was pretty smooth. It's a little bit more refined, but it definitely still is a lot louder, which is, it's fine. I made the effort, so can't knock me for trying, right? All right, we're gonna do the first test run here, see how it sounds, see how it feels. Got the new wheels on and got the new exhaust on. I really enjoy the way it sounds now. I think that the fiberglass did help quite a bit. It's a little bit more tame. It's not as raspy, and it has a nice deeper tone to it. And I'm really happy with the results of what it sounds like. I'm gonna leave it as is and enjoy it for what it is.